I still remember the first time I bathed my newborn. I was terrified, but with the right technique, it became one of the most beautiful bonding moments. Let me show you how you can experience that too. What is gentle newborn bathing? The practice of safely and gently cleaning a newborn baby emphasizes minimal disruption, warmth, and comfort for the baby. More about gentle cleansing than a thorough scrubbing. Why is gentle bathing important? Number 1, hygiene. Removes dirty, sweat, and milk residue, keeping the baby clean. Number 2, skin health. Helps prevent skin irritation and infections. Number 3, relaxation. Warm water can have a calming effect on some babies. Number 4, sensory experience. Introduces the baby to the sensation of water in a controlled and positive way. Number 5, bonding opportunity. Bath time can be a special time for interaction and connection between caregiver and baby, mom and baby, dad and baby. Cultural practice. Bathing rituals often hold cultural significance within families and communities. How often should you bath a newborn? Newborns don't need a bath every day. 2 to 3 times a week is usually sufficient in the early days. Overbathing can dry out their delicate skin. Focus on cleansing the diaper area thoroughly at each diaper change. Preparing for bath time bliss. Gather supplies, soft washcloths, mild unscented bath soap, 2 to 3 soft towels. Wooded towels are helpful if you can afford it. A small, shallow baby bathtub or a clean basin. Warm water. Test the temperature with your wrist or elbow. It should feel comfortable. Warm, not hot. A clean diaper and clothes. Warm the room. Ensure the room is warm to prevent the baby from getting cold. Never leave baby unattended. Always keep one hand on your baby while they are in the bath. Gentle bathing techniques. Sponge bath. For the first few weeks or until the umbilical cord stump falls off, place the baby on a safe, flat surface with a towel underneath. Keep the baby warm by only exposing the part of their body you are washing. Use a warm, damp washcloth to gently cleanse their face, avoiding eyes, necks, arms, legs, and body. Pat dry thoroughly. Tap bath once the umbilical cord stump has fallen off. Fill the baby bathtub or basin with a few inches of warm water. Gently lower the baby into the water, supporting their head and neck with one arm. Use a soft washcloth to gently wash their body, paying attention to the crease and folds, normally the neck area. Support their head while gently rinsing with clean water or a wet washcloth. Lift the baby out of the tub immediately and wrap them in a warm towel. Washing hair. Support the baby's head over the tub. Gently wet their hair with a washcloth or a cup of water. Use a tiny amount of mild baby shampoo if needed. Rinse carefully. Avoid their eyes. Pat their head dry with a soft towel. Tips for a blissful bath time. Number 1, choose a good time when the baby is calm and content, not hungry or tired. Number 2, talk and sing softly. Your soothing voice can help the baby feel secure. Number 3, make it brief. Newborns' baths don't need to be long. 5 to 10 minutes is usually enough. Number 4, be gentle. Handle your baby with care and avoid scrubbing their delicate skin. Number 5, dry thoroughly. Pay attention to skin folds to prevent moisture buildup. Number 6, moisturize if needed. If your baby's skin seems dry, apply a mild fragrance-free baby moisturizer after drying. Number 7, make it positive experience. If your baby seems distressed, end the bath and try again another time. Important consideration when bathing a baby. Number 1, water safety. Number 2, cultural practice. Number 3, resources availability. And number 4, skin sensitivity. Gentle newborn bathing is about safety, minimal cleansing in a warm and comforting environment. Provide hygiene and a bonding opportunity for both baby and caregiver, mom and baby, dad and baby. Thank you for watching. If this helped you feel more confident about newborn bathing, please like, subscribe, and share with another mom or daddy. And if you like more gentle parenting tips, make sure to follow for the next video. We are in this together. Shalom.